Hi, today I'm for the new VIVO IQOO U5X and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So open first the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the lock screen and wallpaper. Here you will see Always On Display switcher. Just click once on the switcher to activate this option. And here we can change the display mode to show it all day, to set the schedule, the start and the end time, and to move the phone slightly to display the AD. For example, let's use it all day. So let's just lock the device. And we can see that the Always On Display option successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.